What a great little red tractor is that? Yes, it's an Indian Swaraj tractor. But why doesn't it want to start? What could have happened? It looks like the battery is discharged. I think it will need to be replaced. Let's find where this battery is located. Oh, it's here. You will need to disconnect the wires. We'll also need some sort of vehicle to transport this broken battery. Excellent. This blue tractor is perfect for this. Great. The battery is already on the transport box. We can now go to the store and exchange it for a new one. There are lots of colorful batteries in this store. Let's see what colors they come in. Red, green, pink, blue, orange, and black. Good job. The new battery now needs to be installed in our tractor. Excellent. The new battery is 100% charged. Let's see if our little tractor will start now. Welcome to my animated farm with colorful tractors. Here's one of them, a green tractor ready to work in the field. This time we will collect straw from the field. Straw is stored loose or compressed and tied into round or rectangular bales after threshing. It can be stored in barns or outside in large piles. This is the job we will need a baler. A baler is an agricultural machine for compacting bulky materials such as hay or straw and binding it into bales. Great! We already have the appropriate machine so we can roll straw into bales. We have the first bale. Let's move on. Wonderfully! Straw was collected from the entire field and rolled into straw bales, which now need to be collected using appropriate machines. You will need a trailer to transport the bales, as well as a machine to load them. This machine will be a yellow JCB loader. So we load the bales onto the trailer. Great! Good job! Bales loaded on a trailer. We will now take them to the place where the straw bales are unloaded and stored. My animated farm full of tractors. Have you wondered what one of the most popular tractors in India is? Excellent! This is Swaraj, a small, simple and reliable tractor manufactured in India.